Hey all, this is Alyssa McIlvain with Alyssa McIlvain Designs. Today I just wanted to talk to you about what's been going on in the world with the COVID pandemic. I know there's been a lot going on everywhere around the world. Here in Indiana, we've been on lockdown for about 50 days now, which is a lot. So it's been kind of disappointing. People are not living their lives to their fullest and are getting a little down at this point just because of not being able to go in public and not being able to see friends, anything like that. So I wanted to talk to you guys today about what Alyssa McIlvain Designs is doing for this to help kind of find a solution. So I know I can't solve COVID-19 and create a whole new vaccine or anything, but I am doing my best to try to combat the boredom. So I am offering free virtual consultations for anybody that is looking for interior design services in either residential or commercial spaces. So this virtual consultation obviously can be done via Zoom, Skype, whatever you're kind of comfortable with using. We can FaceTime if you would like to do that. So this consultation can take place. You can use any room that you want. I'll give you some brief findings and understandings of what I feel like you should do with your spaces. And then I can give you some different options at the end of the consultation about where to kind of go from there. So we can either do a DIY track or we can do a designer track. On the designer track, free consultation, you can then hire me as a designer to design your space for you. I'll do all of the finding, all the materials, the furniture, all the space plans, everything that needs done. But if you decide to do the DIY track, I will help set you up with everything that you need in order to do it yourself. This is obviously less costly than the other one, than the designer version, but I will help find everything that you need. I'll make you lists of what you need to do, the steps that you need to complete, and then get you going from there. And I'll briefly check in probably once a week to once every 2 weeks, whatever you're comfortable with and whatever pace that you're wanting to move forward with in your projects. This will just kind of help you guys find something to do with your time and helps me find stuff to do with my time as well. It also helps present small businesses with new opportunities. We can source from the higher end businesses or we can try and go local, depending on what you kind of are looking for. So I just wanted to give that option to all of you guys, and I'm just hoping for the best, and hopefully this pandemic will end soon so we can all go back to our normal lives outside of our homes. And I can't wait to meet all of you, and I really look forward to it. If you need to reach out to me or if you're interested in the consultations, please just either leave a comment below or feel free to email me at alyssamcilvain15@gmail.com, or you can feel free to text or call me anytime at 574-242-9991. I really look forward to meeting you guys and hope to hear from you soon.